Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
For a stable wine color lipstick, start with a clear base. 15G beeswax, 12G castor oil, 10G shea butter, and 5G cocoa butter. Measure pigments precisely. 1 teaspoon beetroot powder or 0. 5 teaspoon red iron oxide gives a deep wine tone, add 0. 2 teaspoon mica for sheen. Keep tools sanitized, use food-grade pigments, and do a skin patch test on the wrist to check for reactions before pouring into tubes or tins. Melt your waxes and butters in a double boiler, keeping the mix around 70 degrees C to avoid burning oils. Stir gently to combine. Once fully liquid, add 12G castor oil, then introduce pigments slowly, blending until the color is homogeneous and smooth. Scrape the sides as needed. Remove from heat, add 2 to 3 drops fragrance or antioxidant like 0. 5G vitamin E. Then pour into calibrated lipstick tubes and let cool undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes before capping. Adjust shade by adding red iron oxide in 0.1 gram increments until you reach the wine depth you want. Beetroot adds stain but less permanence. If the stick is too firm, soften by increasing oil by 10%, for example 10% coconut oil or 5% jojoba oil. Test on the back of your hand and let set between tests. Finish by labeling with batch date, store in a cool, dark place, and use within 12 months for best color and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.